Here's how to easily replace your existing plastic office chair wheels with your new urethane tread Hubless office chair wheels. First, lay the chair on its side. Next, firmly grip the base of the chair and the wheel and pull the wheel out of the slot. Then insert your new Hubless office chair wheel into the base of the chair for a firm fit. Repeat this step until all wheels have been replaced. Finally, stand the chair into the upright position to start enjoying the quiet, soft, and effortless motion.